How to create a group email in Gmail. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a group email in Gmail. So you can easily send messages to multiple contacts at once. So first of all, open the Gmail on your mobile device or PC or desktop. Then make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. Now here, let's simply tap on the compose icon available there in order to simply start a new email or compose it. Now, once you tap on the compose, you can see two options available at the top. Now in two, simply write down the email addresses of the person you want to send this email to. You can simply write down email address of everyone individually. And once done, so simply write down your email and tap on the send button available there. You can add as much as email addresses you want. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.